Where are you gonna hang your hat?
Hi, I'm Mary Pidlaski from RE/MAX Executives Realty. Welcome to 102 1710 Taylor Avenue. This very affordable condominium is located in the fabulous area of River Heights and boasts many upgrades. Come on inside. I want to bring you home. Welcome inside. Here you will find recently installed hardwoods, tiled flooring, fresh paint, and stainless steel appliances for a gorgeous finish in this one-bedroom unit. This River Heights location gets you so close to major bus routes, Kenaston Shopping, Polo Park, and you can enjoy walks to Assiniboine Park in the summertime. The thing I love about this property is it has 2 parking spaces and 2 storage units. A rare find, perfect for the professional couple. I can't wait to show you this property. Give me a call. This could be your next home.
Where are you gonna hang your hat?